Alright, everybody. At this stage, we have our pizza dough. Can you see it? Oh, yeah, you can see that. And it is made from Delalo. Nope. Hey, y'all quit that. Cat and the dog was fighting. Alright, anyways. What we're going to do is we're going to... I left my olive oil outside. Be right back. Alright, lighting sucks in here too. Gonna have to quit using this one, but we'll see how it turns out. Anyways, gonna get with sauce. Delalo. However you can say that. It's Italian, I reckon. We're gonna spread that. Good looking dough. I've had it before. It's really tasty. One of the better ones. Not like Pillsbury. It's like, that's fake, man. This is actual, real tasting and all that good stuff. Smooth out that dough a little bit too. Kind of morph it to your pizza pan. I'll leave a little bit on the edges. I like to cover mine pretty well, but leave a little room for other stuff too so it don't get so soggy. I don't want that soggy on there. Alright, so we got that. Let's get a little dipping sauce left for your crust. We got Sargento mozzarella. A little bit of that on there. Not too much, just kind of lightly drizzle it on there. Good covering. So we got that. Also, we'll get an American made up in here. A little cheddar. Kraft mild cheddar. I like sharp cheddar, but this was on sale, so you know I got to get stuff on sale. Poor boy. Alright, this looks pretty good, like a pizza should. And then, now for the magic, our toppings. A couple of those bad boys. Handfuls of that, just spread it out. It's all mixed up already. Ah, some wonderful flavor going on right now. Absolutely. God, it's gonna be so good. And the other ingredients we have the cheese. I probably got $5 with the pizza sauce and salami. Probably another $5. So we're looking at, I remember what I said earlier, $4. So about $14 in all this for a homemade pizza. Probably make one cheaper, but this is like an expensive for me meal. But I'll eat on it twice, dinner and lunch tomorrow, so my wife will enjoy some of it too. So relatively cheap for to feed 2 people for dinner and have lunch the next day. Now, since we got that on there, got our salami. Oh yeah. I would shred this up, but we're just going to do these big planks of it just for fun. It's like a lot of meat on my pizza. Big fan of pepperoni, but when I got to go to Italy this one time at band camp, they don't have pepperoni there, so it was salami. And that shit was good. So that's what we're doing here. I guess we'll save the rest of that. Plenty of salami left. Can make sandwiches out of that later. So you can kind of minus, and all this cheese I can use for other stuff. So really, it gets even cheaper when you think about it. Oh, need my olive oil one more time. Be right back. So I needed my olive oil because I'm just going to drizzle it by hand all the way around. Just because I can. Don't bother me none. It's probably a better way to do it, but I'm kind of in a hurry. It's getting a little late too. So, whoops, a little much. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get some of that extra toppings off of there. We're gonna soak this up now with a paper towel. All the excess off of there, but it'll soak into that crust pretty well. I don't like a burnt crust. I don't know about y'all. Oh my god, this is fucking beautiful. Alright. Now, got a little garlic salt here. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to throw it in the oven. I'm going to give y'all a little bit better view of this thing. That's what we got so far. Poor boy pizza, homemade. So I threw it in the oven, but I forgot I wanted to put another layer of mozzarella on top. Now you can't really tell nothing, but it's all there. Fresh out the oven. Jesus. Looks so good. Wow. I'm gonna cut it.